gentlemen, and howdy, and welcome to today's FARG Motorpool video. We're going to be taking our largest piece of wheeled armour, the ERC90, into a hill just above the city near where I live, and we're going to be trying out the night sights, seeing how far we can see with them and seeing what we can actually pick up. And we'll also be firing the main armament. But because we need to make sure that we are compliant with the law, we will not be firing a projectile, but we'll actually be firing a blank round out of the 90mm barrel. So to do that, as you can probably hear behind me, we need to make a concussion pot. If you wait there a second. We've talked through this before. So this is a length of incredibly thick steel tube, blanked off at one, and with a collar on the top. We'll be placing the round, or the black powder charge, inside of here, so when we operate it, there'll be a big flash and lots of smoke.